So now what we're going to do is open a buyer's account in the Home Depot. So again, the Home Depot is just like Walmart. If you are living outside of the US, I recommend using some of the services we mentioned previously for order management, such as FBB, AutoDS, etc. It's important to note that if you are going to order something yourself, they might cancel your order. And they will send you an email about it and you might have to reorder. And this is why we are suggesting the order management tools. So now jumping into create an account here in the Home Depot. So once you open the add account, you can see that they offer 2 accounts where you can select which one best suits your needs. I want to mention that Pro Extra is basically for people who are construction workers and have their own company or their own business in the US. This is a great selection for them, but it is more of a discount from in-store purchases rather than online purchases. So for this example, we're just gonna choose personal account. Again, same as creating account on Walmart.com, it goes for the Home Depot. Your email address, password, zip code, phone number. Of course, you have the 2 little boxes to check and then create an account. And of course, they will ask to verify your phone number. And once you get that code to your phone, you just go ahead and enter the code in the box there and you can verify. You can also skip for now and create my account. And after a couple more steps, you have your account. This way you can track your buyer history. And of course, the Home Depot is a great store to dropship from.